Alright guys, welcome back to week 2 of Nate's Happy Hour Bar, where myself and the Nom Nom Bomb, link in the description, we are traveling around the world to random countries every week and creating a cuisine and a drink to go with that country. This week, our challenge was Estonia.
So I started my research by diving into the Matrix to find an Estonian-inspired cocktail to make. It did take longer than expected to find my answer. But then I had a eureka moment and I knew that I had found my inspiration.
The drink we're making this week is called the Rolling Estonian, and based on all of my intense research, its main ingredient is cranberries. So we're gonna be using some cranberry juice. And what's really good about this is you can put it in a big punch bowl, and if we're ever allowed to have people over again, it is a great thing to have at a party. So let's get started.
All right, we're gonna start this off with at least 2 shots of vodka. We're gonna follow that up with 4 shots of cranberry juice. And then to add some bubbles, 3 shots of ginger ale. And finally, 1 shot of soda water. Now all we need to do is add some ice and give it a stir.
And here it is, the Rolling Estonian. This is a great drink you can have on a summer's day when you have a bunch of people over and you need some punch to try to keep a good afternoon vibe going. Let's have a taste. Cranberries, just the way the Estonians like it. What also is good is Estonia is known for its medieval architecture, so I'm gonna finish this off the best way I know how with the most medieval glass I could find. Cheers, everybody. Ooh, sweet.